Guys, I finally have my baggage. Ignore that, but yeah, finally. Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So guys, as you guys can see from the title, today is going to be a Amazon unboxing kind of video. Yay. But before I reach the unboxing, let me show you guys how we got to this point. We are doing back to school shopping, yeah. But anyways guys, we were just recently told that we're not going back to school, but guess what, when I bought these things I thought we were going back to school, so I bought them anyways. Yeah, it's already bought and they're already on their way. So when you see this video, I'll be, well, yeah, when I already see it, we're gonna do the unboxing after we're done this part of the video. So right now I'm going to be going through and showing you guys the screen recording I did when I did this video. This was done Friday, I think it's last week Friday, so it would be last week Friday. Today is the 23rd, so last week Friday was the 18th of September. So yes, this video that I, you know, screen recorded was done. I did it when I was actually shopping for the things. So the things were bought on the 18th and I think they started to ship on the 19th. And yeah, so I'm using the new shipping business in my community, and that is GNC Shipping Courier. So yeah, when you guys, I'm gonna be doing all of that, you know, showing you guys that's, you know, that came in another video that I went to the opening and all of that and did the video, did pictures for the business and all of that. Anyways, I'm talking a little much, but let us get into shopping. So I did my shopping on Amazon, so you guys will see that on the screen. So I wanted a lunch pan and I wanted one for myself and I wanted one for my sister. So the first thing I did, I had a lot of things in my cart, so the first thing I did was actually delete all of those, and then I went and I already pre-saved the things I wanted, because I go through Amazon a lot, so don't come at me. And then I looked at utensils. So I wanted utensils that I can get, you know, a pack of utensils I can get everything, so I don't say, all right, I'm going to take out one of my parents' things and carry with me. I actually bought one that I know has everything. So the utensil kit I bought is this portable utensil kit, and it comes with it comes in a bag and everything. And then I decided, because what I was going to do is find straw, one of the kits with a straw with the silicone top and silicone part on top. But then I think the kit I bought was some $6, $7. I think, I'm gonna stop guessing and just tell you guys what it is, because I took the pictures the other day. So yeah, here it is. So it's not any. All right, I'm gonna have to go into Amazon to show you this, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go into Amazon and I'm gonna check the prices and recheck the prices, because I'd have to go to the video and it's kind of hard to go to the video while I'm on the phone at the moment, you know, and talking to you guys at the same time. So the things were already delivered anyways. So this item, the fork thingy, was basically $7, right? $7 on the shipping part. No, I think I got it free. Shipping was free. Anyway, so that was $7. Yeah, so when I checked for the ones with the silicone part on top, it was like $16 without shipping on it. So what I did was to buy those without the silicone top, and then I went and I found silicone toppers, and you know, the little part that you put in the cup if you want that part. And I found this. Oh my gosh, I keep on a tear up my ear and my nail. Why? Anyways, so this is a 12-pack silicone tips reusable straw. Tips, multicolored stainless steel straw covers. Anyways, so it comes with 24 pieces of stuff. Whatever. Anyways, so it comes with red, pink, orange, yellow, blue, and green. And I thought it was great because I like yellow, my sister likes pink, and I'm thinking we could probably have like the others if I should buy some more straws. Otherwise, then I could give that to my mom, my dad, and you know, put on their colors red, so give them the red, or just have them and just reuse, you know, decorate my things. I want it, but you know. So I decided to buy that, and this was like $4.99, so $5. So 5 plus the 6 now reach up to the 16. Get me answer? That's like $11, and that would be just $11 for one, if you get me answer, because put together if I should buy 2 16, like basically it would be $17 for the kits. It's gonna become, you know, it's gonna be more cost effective, so I decided to buy it this way. So yeah, so I decided to buy it this way. So my total in the end came up to $54.85, which is $7,908.58 in Jamaican. So not bad, right? So I got 2 lunch kits, 2 utensil kits, plus the silicone straw covers for $7,000, basically $8,000. So, and they said it would arrive the 21st to the mailbox that I shipped it to, so that should arrive then. So I'm not sure when I'll be getting this, so whenever I do get these things, I will come back on and I will unbox for you guys. So yes, alright guys, so I ordered a few things from the Amazon and I finally got my package, so we'll be opening up this package together. So I got my box cutter. We're gonna open this box. Yeah, what me now cut nothing in the box. Ooh, that was easy. That was also easy. That was also easy. Now let me show you guys what is going on in the box. Yay! Hi Shan. We got bubble wraps. Bubble wrap. Sure. We got this. We got this. Yay! So I see everything. So I'm just gonna pull out the things. Be quiet. I'm gonna pull out the things one by one, and yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna open are the lunch kits. Yes, me open my lunch kits. Oh wow! Am I open first? Okay. So this one, the floral one, is for my sister. Me. They can't see it. Mommy, come here. Hi, mommy. Oh. So this is it. It's quite large, actually. So, so this is going to be my sister's. I don't know if it's Anyways, people, I'm trying to close this thing and these people on here talking inside of my video. I'm going to beat them, you see? Alright, so this is a cute little lunch pan. I bought the black. I'm going to show you it in a few. But yes, it has the big part. It has this part here that can put drinks, and you know, you can actually keep the things in either hot or cold. It big, do you know it big, I'm not lie. It's a big lunch pan. So yes, that is for my sister. And then this one is mine, the black one. Yes, black. I like black, people. You can never go wrong with black. Look how cute it is, you know? Yeah. What's that? I'm a busy man, professional. I prefer mine. Yes. People's. Watch me struggle to open it. No? Oh, this lady. Will get boxes. What's wrong with she? Oh. So this is mine. So mine is the black one. Quite cute. And then the second thing we bought were some utensil kits, and we got this color. This is a feathery kind of colorful thing, and we also got this color, which is a black and silver, which is mine. This is my sister's, and it's from the brand Top Book. This was from a brand called Upox or Upox. I don't know.
What are they?
You turn to something. Yes.
So pretty.
And I don't like them all washing away, so they still are end up on my bed. Alright, can I talk in my video, please? So in it comes with a fork, a spoon, a knife. It comes with Lodge's I did 4 spoons. It comes with 4 straws. No lie, it comes with 2 straws and a pair of chopsticks and a straw cleaner. And yeah, so it actually looks like that inside, and it's pretty cute. And both of them are the same. So here, Shanique, and mine probably is basically the same thing. So the spoon, the fork, the knife, straw cleaner, straws, and my chopsticks. So yeah, that is that. And now the final thing I'm gonna be I should actually take out my straw for showing you this. The final thing I bought were these, and these are called like the silicone thing that you put on the straw top. So I bought this, so I'm gonna be taking the yellow one and show you. So this is the straw, right? So I'll take the straw and it will actually look like this. So I'm coming. So this is it. So I'm gonna be taking, you know, and my sister will get the pink ones. So 2 straws is in there, so she will get the pink one. Plus there's something where you put in the cup. No, you know I put on. So I have 2 straws. So I have this one and I have the other one. So I have to find me the other yellow one.
I think so.
So I got these 2. And it comes with the part that you put like in the cup, but we didn't necessarily buy a cup for it, so I don't know, we could probably do this. What's that, Sean?
What's in the box? What's in the
So yeah, so I can actually drop it in the, but I don't think we'll be using this part for now. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So yes guys, this was pretty much a great buy. I have some more buying to do. This was my first purchase on my own from Amazon, and I'm quite satisfied with it. I don't know, these things look real cute. And yeah, so these were supposed to be going to school. However, school now about to open, so I don't know how. Yeah, I bought them in vain. Well, not really in vain, but I won't get to use them right now. But yes, these are what the chopsticks look like. People, I don't know how to look. I don't know how to use chopstick, but yeah. Alright guys, so again, as per usual, I forgot to end the video, so I'm coming on to end the video. Yes guys, so as I said earlier, this was my first purchase from Amazon and I quite enjoy it. I'm sure Shanique will enjoy her products once we get to use them. I'm quite excited. God no, I first never want to go to school and I just for use the things them. My kind of sound like one little pick away, you know. You want to go to school just for wear the bag, the lunch kit, if you use a pencil and the book. Yeah, that's me right now, because I don't like school. Trust me, I don't like school, but I like the things that goes to school, you know. But yes, this was a great first purchase and I'm looking forward to doing some more. So guys, you can expect more Amazon unboxing videos. I might, you know, like when I buy, because when I buy, I'm not gonna buy a lot of things one time, cause you know, service charge. But I'll probably, you know, video myself and put them in like probably 2 purchases in one video. Yeah, so it will be kind of long. But yes guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I make a video. Comment down below which one of these items were your favorites, and such. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.